Hi friends, in this video I will show you the new feature of WhatsApp. So let's begin the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your WhatsApp application. The new feature of WhatsApp is like you send the voice note to the people, right? So the new feature is that you will simply tap on the voice note once and there is a video note as well. So you will send the video note like simply press and hold it from here like this. So this is the video note of WhatsApp. So you will simply then tap and hold it. So this is the new update of WhatsApp. You can now send the video notes as well. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.